So today we are looking at nasdaq.com, but more in particularly, they have a page that reports the relevant earnings report. So it's quite a simple page. You can go quite far in the future. You can select the relevant date, and then it tells you when it reports. So you've got an indicator, unfortunately, right at the bottom: pre-market, after hours, or it's not supplied. So what is interesting is that you can actually look at the reporting by market cap or the number of people that are going to be reporting, and also you got the ticker, so that then you can look more information. So you've got Morgan Stanley here, so you can look at in more detail. So of course, after they have reported, you'll be able to see further information. So here you've got a forecast going forward, which is quite interesting. So you've got generally the same, and they have spiked here. So, and then you can look at the, how they're reporting on a quarterly basis, on a yearly basis, as well as you've got the relevant consensus. So you can have an idea that, currently you've gone from quite a interesting change of consensus. So you've gone from being an increase in the consensus, what's going on, and then it gives you a simple roundup of the time before. So this is a very good idea to get further information about what people's thoughts are, how many people are following the forecast, as well as you can get a summary from the NASDAQ. Probably not the best graphing tool, but you can look at this as an indication. Obviously you got the 1 day that's quite noisy, you got the general information, so you can be reminded of the yield, the pay dates, the ex-dividend dates, and so on, as well as you can then say, okay, let's find an idea of sort of what it's doing over time. So it sort of goes up, down, it's sort of no real movement or direction. So this is a very good tool to look at the NASDAQ products that are reporting. So let's go back where we were. So it has earnings calendars, and then you've got other calendars which I'll go into a later date. Sort of, interesting stock splits shouldn't really make any difference, but psychologically they do. What IPOs are out there? Economic information, which has a massive change in the market, and then you got dividends. So we're going to come back here at a later stage.